Hi guys, and in today's video I'll show you how you can reset your AirPods or AirPod Pros. So let's get on with the video. First you want to put your AirPods in the case and close the lid and wait 30 seconds. If they're already in the case or the 30 seconds have passed, then you can open the lid and you want to press and hold the pairing button on the Mac. So once you hear that tone and you see this light is flashing, so I'll close the case and open it again. And you can see now it's in pairing mode. So once the light is flashing like that, it means that your AirPods have been reset. And when you try to connect them to your iPhone, it will tell you that it's not your AirPods. Doing this means that you will need to connect your AirPods again on all of your devices. This is useful especially if you're selling them or you're having issues with them. So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please like this video. And if you have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments. Thank you.